This is fit for a 2005 through 2018 and possibly beyond Nissan Frontier Crew Cab. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex 2500 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 54 inches in length, the 2500 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number DK108. The crossbars are positioned at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.